When we talk about services, it is the occupation or function of serving, repairing, or providing an activity to satisfy a public demand. So attending this webinar, having your tax return done, going to the doctor, getting your hair cut, those are all things that are services. When I mix a service with property, it now becomes important to understand what was the primary thing that I bought. Was I really buying a service with some incidental property that came along? I paid my accountant to do my tax return, and they also gave me a printout of that tax return. That's probably going to be service with incidental property. I bought a new washing machine and they delivered and installed it. What did I really buy? I bought property. I bought a washing machine. That was the intent of what I wanted. And there was some incidental services that came along with that. It's important to know that, especially when you don't separately state the property from the service. It's best to separately state those, because now if I have a state that will exempt delivery and installation, if I separately state it, I have the ability to have that exempted. Now, what is incidental? We go from a low of 5% in the state of Texas, the streamlined sales tax states, which is a group of 24 states that have come together with shared definitions and consistent or common definitions and common administrative practices. They use 10%. We have some states that are at 25%. Illinois is at 35%. So it can really vary as to what is that incidental. So you want to look at that state by state.